Tonight, we will be honoring this year's winning 5 incredible composers and writing teams, and we're thrilled to be returning to Joe's Pub, just a few blocks from Jonathan Larson's stomping grounds in the East Village. I have felt very connected to Jonathan Larson myself ever since Rent came out, so much so, in fact, that I wrote a song inspired by him for him. Hi, love. Just sitting here thinking about the ways you changed my life. Well, lots of lives, really. Because of you, I got to be an extra in your movie. I fake drink coffee and ate chocolate cake on the Life Cafe set in a hangar in California. And I got to stare at Jesse Elmargin all day. So dreamy. He even said hi to me in the parking lot. But really, it was the first time in my life I'd ever been in a room of all people of color, and it transformed me. I never felt so understood, and for the first time in my life, I felt what it means to be accepted without preconception. And you created that space, not just for me, but for countless kids who felt unseen and saw themselves centered in your work.